What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to Freebird Diaries. Today's video is all about my delivery experience of the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. This was back in 2019 on the 1st of August, which I know is a really late post, but however, I was actually contemplating whether to put this video across or not because of certain experiences that I had faced. I think you will get to know eventually in the video clippings that would be featured next.
Sometimes I swear I fall asleep singing songs in my head just to drive away the demon, to push aside any negative feelings. Can't even say what I dream. Yeah, sometimes all I hear is that clock ticking. I close my eyes and I find myself slipping back tearing pages out this notebook, gripping up no shots cause ain't no see what I mean. Yeah, and then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all them good times and nights that I shared yesterday, that I have today. I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love.
I mean, who would have actually expected such a memorable delivery experience from the Royal Enfield showroom at Indranagar, which is Teknik Motors. After months of persuasion and waiting, and still not getting a clear answer of the actual expected date of delivery, you had to actually reach out to the store manager, who kind of helped me out in a lot of ways. His name is Mr. Matthew. Thank you, Mr. Matthew. I hope you're watching this video. So getting back, one day on the 1st of August, I actually got a call from Mr. Matthew, who told me, you know what, come down by 9 p.m. and I will have your bike delivered to you. So this was after being declined almost 4 times. So the first date I went to the showroom and then they were like, hey, listen, your bike is not yet here. There is a problem with the production of Baker Express, the white and red color, and if you want some other color, I can easily hand that over to you. I was like, no, I paid extra for this. I want this color because that is the color which was at that point of time not so common, but now it is really common. So that was the first time. Then there was a second time, then there was a third time, where it kept getting pushed by a week or two, and then finally I sort of reached out to the higher authorities and raised a complaint against Teknik Motors. Also, mind you, this is not video to put down Teknik Motors, but however, how helpful they are, this is a video for that. So yes, like I was saying, one fine day I get a call from Mr. Matthew after a lot of persuasion and pulling in higher authorities. I was asked to come down to the showroom by 9 p.m., which obviously was a shock for me. I was at work and he was like, come down, we'll have your bike delivered today by hook or by crook. And I was like, listen, your showroom actually stays open only till 8 p.m. and what do you think, am I stupid to come down at 9? He's like, you just come, we will close the showroom once your bike is delivered. And I was really happy because obviously it's a man's toy and we are any which ways happy when we're receiving these sort of gifts, because it's been 4 months since booking, or probably 5 months, whereas I was actually promised 3 months, and there was a fluctuation with dates and delivery timings and delivery dates. So nevertheless, went down at 9. I was offered tea, coffee, and Mr. Matthew, and there was one more person who was a service agent. He actually stayed back, and there was one more guy who actually needed the same color, and his delivery was also due for a long time. Here we are waiting at 9, then it became 10, and then became 11. So we were actually getting curious as to what is actually going on. And at 12, at sharp 12, we see a truck pull in with all the bikes loaded in there. I think there were 3 or 4 bikes and only 2 Baker Express, which was delivered to Teknik Motors in Indranagar. And both those two came off the truck, and both me and the other person who was actually expecting the delivery were our faces lit up. Honestly, our faces lit up. We literally went, ran, and hugged Mr. Matthew, who made it all possible. Thank you, Mr. Matthew. And there's one more person, Mr. Santosh, who is really helpful and a cheerful person at Teknik Motors. So if you guys do need to buy a bike or anything, reach out to me or reach out to Mr. Matthew directly. He's the store manager or the store head of Royal Enfield Teknik Motors, and he will get it done. He's a person or a man of his words, and he will get it done. So finally, the bike was delivered, and the 10-point checkup was done immediately over there. However, I did not get any manual or books or the invoice or anything. I had to come back the next day to collect it, but it's all right. That's not a problem. If you did enjoy this video, do like, share, and subscribe down below. Thank you.